This tutorial review will show you how to add background music to iPhone videos for free. First of all, you have to install this iMovie app and then open this iMovie app, tap on Movie and select the video where you want to add a background music. Tap on Create Movie. Now tap on this plus icon here. Tap on Audio. And here you will get three options. You can add soundtracks from here. Then you can upload music from your iPhone by tapping on My Music. Also, you can add some sound effects from here. So I'm gonna adding music from my iPhone by tapping on Imported and selecting a downloaded music. Tapping on this plus icon next to music, and the music will be added here. And once your editing finished, tap on Done, tap on Share, tap on Save Video, and the video will be saved to your Photos app. And this is how we can add background music to iPhone videos for free. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.